Welcome to the official channel of Dr. Robert Clark, where we uncover the hidden truths behind the foods history forgot. Today we investigate a lost treasure, a berry with the highest antioxidant levels in the world, yet unknown to many. Native to the rich soils of North America, this fruit was once a staple, but it has strangely vanished from shelves. We are told that blueberries are the kings of antioxidants, but that claim is a carefully constructed myth of marketing. When we look at the scientific data, specifically the ORAC scale, the truth about this nutritional powerhouse becomes undeniable. Aronia scores a massive 16,062 units, a number that completely shatters the records of other popular fruits. In stark comparison, the famous blueberry only reaches 4,669. Almost 4 times less potent. This difference is not just a number. It represents a massive gap in the ability to neutralize dangerous free radicals. Scientists have analyzed the chemical structure and found that Aronia contains a density of polyphenols found nowhere else in nature. The deep pigment is the visual proof of anthocyanins, the compounds responsible for protecting our cells from oxidative stress and aging. To understand why this fruit was forgotten, we must travel back in time to the ancient forests of North America. For the indigenous Potawatomi people, this berry was not just food, it was a critical tool for survival and medicine. They valued Aronia because it could be preserved for long periods, helping the tribe survive the brutal, freezing winter months. They created pemmican, a legendary survival food that combined dried meat and fat with these berries for essential vitamins. Beyond nutrition, the tribes understood its healing properties, using the bark and berries to treat fevers and cure infections. However, the destiny of this superfood changed forever when European settlers arrived, bringing with them different tastes and agricultural expectations. The settlers were accustomed to sweet fruits, so the intense, astringent dryness of the Aronia berry was a shock to them. This sensation is caused by tannins, the same compounds in red wine, but the settlers did not appreciate this complexity. They gave it a new derogatory name, chokeberry, intended to warn their children and neighbors away from eating it. This name effectively branded the superfood as a weed, leading to its mass removal to make space for sweeter crops. For centuries, the plant was pushed to the margins, surviving only in the wild, ignored by the developing agricultural industry. While Americans were busy breeding fruits to be larger and sweeter, they inadvertently bred out the essential nutrients we need. But nature finds a way. In the early 20th century, the plant was transported to Russia and later to Poland. Eastern European scientists did not care about the bitter taste. They were only interested in the potent medicinal properties within. While America destroyed its native bushes, Poland embraced them, now producing 90% of the global supply of this fruit. In Europe, it is considered a pharmaceutical treasure, prescribed by doctors and sold in pharmacies for its proven health benefits. Here lies the great geopolitical paradox. The United States now imports its own native berry back from European farmers. Americans pay a premium price for supplements made from a plant that could easily grow in their own backyards. We have traded a free, abundant natural resource for an expensive, processed commodity controlled by the global supplement industry. Let us look at the medical evidence. High blood pressure is a silent killer affecting millions of people worldwide today. Chronic hypertension damages arteries and leads to heart disease, but clinical trials involving Aronia have shown remarkable results. Studies indicate that regular consumption can lower systolic blood pressure by 8 to 11 millimeters of mercury naturally. The active compounds help relax the blood vessels, improving flow without the severe side effects often associated with synthetic medication. Beyond blood pressure, Aronia is a powerful ally for those struggling to control their blood sugar levels and insulin. It works by inhibiting specific enzymes, effectively slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream after a meal. This prevents the dangerous glucose spikes that cause inflammation and fat storage, making it perfect for metabolic health management. Research also suggests it offers profound protection for the liver, shielding it from damage caused by toxins and poor diet. With better blood flow and regulated sugar, the body experiences a natural surge in energy and overall physical vitality. If this berry is so miraculous, why is it not promoted in every grocery store and doctor's office in America? The answer may lie in its very nature. Aronia is incredibly hardy, pest-resistant, and requires almost no chemical intervention. Modern agriculture relies on crops that need fertilizers and pesticides, creating a profitable cycle for the agrochemical industry. A plant that grows without expensive chemicals does not generate profit for the companies that sell those toxic farming inputs. Furthermore, a natural solution to chronic diseases threatens the bottom line of the massive pharmaceutical industry that sells treatments. However, a quiet revolution is beginning. Small farmers are rediscovering Aronia, realizing its potential for sustainable and healthy agriculture. Chefs are learning to balance its tartness, blending it into smoothies and baking it into goods that delight the palate. By mixing it with sweeter fruits like bananas or apples, we can unlock its health benefits without the shock of bitterness. Consumer awareness is rising, and demand is slowly forcing markets to bring this native superfood back to the spotlight. You can even grow it yourself. It is a beautiful ornamental shrub that provides privacy and medicine for your family. In the fall, the leaves turn a stunning red, making it a visual masterpiece that feeds both the eyes and body. Remember the math. One small handful of these berries provides the antioxidant protection of a massive bowl of blueberries. It is a simple, powerful way to upgrade your health, fighting inflammation and aging at a cellular level every day. From the wisdom of the ancients to the validation of modern science, the story of Aronia is one of resilience. We must stop overlooking what nature has provided right under our feet and embrace the bitter taste of true health. Let food be your medicine. Do not let marketing dictate your diet. Let nutrient density be your guide to wellness. There are many other forgotten plants waiting to be rediscovered, and we will explore them all in our future videos. I hope this journey into the world of Aronia has inspired you to look at your food choices differently today. Nature holds secrets that can heal us, if only we have the courage to look past the convenient and sweet. If you found value in this video, please like and share it to help spread this vital health information. Join the conversation in the comments below. Have you ever tasted Aronia, and would you try it for your health? Thank you for watching Dr. Robert Clark. Stay curious, stay healthy, and always seek the truth in nature's garden. Let us quickly recap the key takeaways. Aronia offers 3 times the antioxidant power of blueberries, a true superfood champion. Historically, it sustained Native American tribes through harsh winters, but was rejected by settlers who misunderstood its complex flavor profile. Geopolitically, we face the irony of importing a Native American plant from Poland, paying a premium for our own heritage. Medically, it is a proven natural intervention for lowering high blood pressure and stabilizing dangerous blood sugar spikes in diabetics. Check out these other videos on our channel to continue your journey into the lost secrets of natural healing foods. Nature is the ultimate pharmacy, and we are just beginning to read the labels. Until next time, live well. Take a moment to appreciate the silent resilience of these plants, standing guard in the wild, waiting for our return. Harvesting is an act of gratitude. When we pick these berries, we reconnect with an ancient lineage of human survival. Preserving the harvest allows us to carry the warmth and nutrition of the summer sun into the depths of winter. Teaching the next generation to appreciate real food is the most important legacy we can leave for the future. Look up and see the potential surrounding us. The solutions to our modern health crises are often growing within reach. Science is beautiful when it reveals the intricate mechanisms that nature has designed to keep us alive and thriving. This is Dr. Robert Clark signing off. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more weekly discoveries. Thank you for being part of our community. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye and good health.